Hello everyone, I'm the Shang Man and today I will teach you guys how to save lives. How can we save lives during the COVID-19 pandemic? COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, is a dangerous virus that has taken over the world by storm in just a few months. The virus is first identified during December 31st, 2019 in Wuhan, China. A person can have no symptoms and still carry the virus. They are invisible and scary. As of August 23rd, 2020, there are 5.68 million cases reported and 176,000 deaths reported in the United States. As for the world, there are 23.3 million cases reported and 807,000 deaths reported for the coronavirus. The ways we can save lives during the pandemic is listed on this slide. The points will be further elaborated later on in the video. We can save lives by wearing masks, keeping your hands clean, keeping a safe distance of 6 feet with another person, and staying home. First things first, what are masks? Masks are objects worn on the face for protection. In this case, we will be protecting ourselves from the COVID-19. Why do some people don't like wearing masks? Anti-maskers think that there's really nothing we can do to hide from the coronavirus, and they think it's a government overreach. However, experts say that wearing masks helps stop infected people from passing the virus on to others. So to all those anti-maskers, please wear a mask. How do we protect ourselves and others is the next question. The answer to that is that we can protect ourselves by reducing exposure to the saliva and respiratory secretions of the mask wearers. How do we protect ourselves and others is the next question. The answer to that is that we can protect ourselves by reducing the exposure to saliva and respiratory secretion of the mask wearer. We can also protect others by sealing the viruses and germs inside the masks and not spreading them. Next up is keeping our hands clean. How do we keep our hands clean? The answer to that is by washing our hands. We don't want dirty hands to be touching our faces. In order to do that, we wash our hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. And if there is no soap and water, we can also use hand sanitizer with 60% or more alcohol to clean our hands. Most people don't wash their hands because it's not a part of their daily routine or habit. However, during this difficult time, we should be more aware of ourselves to wash our hands often. After washing our hands, we will have clean hands, and when we touch our faces with our hands, we protected ourselves from the dirty virus. If our hands are clean and we touch something, the thing that we just touched is clean as well. And when someone else touches that thing, their hands don't get dirty. And lastly, keeping a safe distance of 6 feet. Number 6 is a magic number during this pandemic. We can keep our distance by simply walking away from others. Or if you're talking to someone, try not to get too close. But the best way to keep a safe distance is to simply stay home. Some people don't keep their distance because they simply don't realize it. And that's when you come in. You will tell the person to keep a safe distance away from you. By keeping the distance, it's harder for the virus to transmit. Now you and others are protected. It's a win-win. The key takeaways are to wear masks, wash hands, and keep your distance. I'm the Shang Man. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video.